China tab, AirTab U24, U25, how to format, FRP, how to remove if you forget the password, screen lock. Now first of all you need to you need to turn off, so you need to press all power button, volume down and up button to format the tab. So just keep pressing. So when you see the logo, just keep pressing volume down button and keep release the power button. So you will get into this menu. You will see here this is written Chinese. Now what you need to do, you will scroll down until you will see EMMC. Click on that and then click power button, hit power button, and then it will start formatting. So this is how you can easily format AirTab U24. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.